Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Patoli. So soak 1 cup of rice for 4 hours in cold water. Once it is soaked completely, it is easy to grind. Now grind this rice to a fine paste. It has to be very fine but not very liquid form. It has to be a thick paste. Now grate the coconut and put black jaggery and red jaggery mixed together and give a blackish color. Mix it well so that no jaggery lumps are there in it. Now shape these leaves in a cone form and put the paste in it and fillings afterwards. These are all jackfruit leaves. Same for this leaf also. This leaf has got a flavor acid. And these are haldi leaves. Here also put the fillings, close it. Now close the lid and cook for 15 minutes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.